Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm back with another entry for my pocket challenge, and this will be entry number 8, and it's from the lovely Suzanne Freeman, and she is all the way in Australia. So thank you, Suzanne, for entering my challenge. I am so happy that you did, and your package arrived yesterday, so let's open it up. I've just snipped the end. I haven't peeked or anything, and I will pull out what is inside here. There's a card. Okay. It's a little card here. Oh, and it has a little fairy. I love that. Let's open that up. Hi, Kim. Thank you for hosting your challenge. I don't have a lot of paper, but managed to make 3 small fold-out pockets. Oh, cool. I hope you will be able to use them. If not, you might be able to pass them on to who could. I'll understand. I've sent them in an envelope as postage is quite expensive to Canada and the US. I hear you on the postage, believe me. I don't do videos yet, and I'm hoping my daughter can help me when she has time. Oh, I'm a slow learner, LOL. Sometimes it takes a bit to sink in. Okay, me too, girl. Don't even worry. Crafty hugs. Aw, that's so sweet. And I'm sure I can use them, Suzanne, and that is a lovely little card. And here she's got all of her information, and yet Suzanne Freeman in Australia. And she's put it on this lovely little paper postcard here. And her birthday is June 28th. She loves lace, buttons, stick pins, fairies, vintage, shabby chic. Favorite colors: lavender, lilac, cream white, pastel blue, green, and pink. She is retired. She enjoys crafting and YouTube. Well, me too. So we have a lot in common, Suzanne, so thank you so much. Those are adorable. Love that image. Love it. So these are the little fold-out pockets that she made. They look amazing. So let me just remove this piece of lace that's on here. Is that folded down somehow? I don't want to wreck it. She's just got that along the edge there. Okay. See, I haven't had my coffee yet. Let's do it this way. Yeah, there we go. I'm sure I'm doing it wrong. Okay, you know what? Let's do a different way. We're just going to put a tiny little cut in the bottom. It's morning here. Can you tell? Okay. There we go. These look amazing, Suzanne. They're really gorgeous. And I will save that little piece of lace that she's got on there. It's a little piece of crocheted lace. So I will save that, Suzanne, and use that on a project. So let's see what these look like. Look at how pretty and so shabby. I love these, and I love this paper. I love the colors, and she's got a little cutout butterfly there, and then this really pretty pink shabby ribbon, and then this very adorable little flowered lace going all the way around. So let's open one up. I love these. These are fantastic. Look at this. And you can journal on there. These are amazing. Oh my gosh, these are awesome. And she's got some lace on the inside here, and these little polka dot journaling spots, and then more of the flower lace. Oh, Suzanne, these are wonderful. These will be great in a journal. Oh, these are fantastic. I love them. Oh, so awesome. And you know what? I love seeing all the unique and different ways people are creating things like this. Look at that. It's got the lace and the journaling spots. These are amazing. I love them. I love them. Oh, so pretty. I absolutely love this paper too. I'm not sure. Is that like a gift wrapping paper? What a great idea. It kind of feels like that. You'll have to tell me, Suzanne, if it is, but that's a great idea. Well, I think these are awesome. And there's the third one here. Oh, wow. These are amazing, Suzanne. Thank you so much. They're so pretty and shabby. I love them. I absolutely love them. They're fantastic. You did a great job on these. Awesome. Thank you so much for joining in my challenge, Suzanne. I love these. I wish you did videos because this would be a great video to do. We'd love a tutorial on this, I'm sure. So I hope you do videos soon. If you have any other social media, though, that you'd like anybody to follow, let me know and I'll put it in the description box. But thank you so much, Suzanne, and I really appreciate you sending me these all the way from Australia. That is super sweet and kind of you, and I really, really appreciate it. So thank you so much, Suzanne, and I will be back with another video very shortly, guys. Take care, everyone. Thanks, Suzanne.